My dear students, I welcome you to my channel GetUp24@7. Hope you all are fine. Today I brought a video on important questions and its answer. I will prepare you to get success in GPAT and other competitive exams. Keep watching and crack your exams. Let's start from the first question. Erythrocyte is another name for red blood cell, white blood cell, thrombocyte and platelet. So what is the correct answer? Guess. The correct answer is red blood cell. So red blood cell is otherwise called as erythrocyte. Next question, which of the following blood components provide the major defense for our bodies against invading bacteria and viruses? Options are red cell, white cell, platelet and erythrocyte. The correct answer is white blood cell because due to its phagocytic action, they defend or they fight with the pathogens that enters to our body. Next question is, what is the pH of blood? 9.5, 5, 6.4, 7.4. The correct answer is 7.4. The relative clear liquid medium which carries the other cells of blood is called lipid, antibody, plasma and lymph. Let's see the correct answer. The answer is plasma. Which of the following are likely to increase in quantities when the body is under attack from bacteria? Answer is erythrocyte, leukocyte, thrombocyte and hemoglobin. Can you say what is the correct answer? Write in the comment box. So the correct answer is leukocyte because leukocyte is the other name of WBC. Erythrocyte is RBC, thrombocyte is the other name of platelet, hemoglobin is a protein. So leukocyte is the correct answer. What are antigens present in the blood found on the surface of the red cells? Kind of the red cells that identify a blood type, relatively large carbohydrate molecules. Number D, option A and B. So this question means where the antigens are found in blood. Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is found on the surface of red cells. Next question, the most of the volume of normal human blood is composed of red cell, hemoglobin, plasma and white cells. Guess the correct answer. The correct answer is plasma because in question it is asked that what is the volume. So here the red cell is a solid mass, hemoglobin is a protein that is present on the red cell surface, white cells are also solids. So the plasma is a liquid. So we can find the volume of the liquid only. So for that reason the plasma is the correct answer. Next, the amount of hemoglobin in a healthy man is dash and in a healthy woman is dash. So let's find the correct answer. How many amount of hemoglobin present in a normal man and in a normal woman? In a normal man it is about 14 to 15.6 gram per 100 cubic centimeter and 11 to 14 gram per 100 cubic centimeter in woman. Next question, in fetus the RBC is produced in which part and in adult RBC is formed in which part? Let's see the answers. In fetus, the RBC produced in liver, and in adult the RBC is formed in bone marrow. Next, the process of formation of RBC is termed as erythropoiesis. So the formation of RBC is called erythropoiesis. Next question, the abnormal increase in number of RBC is called polycythemia. Remember, the process of formation of RBC is termed as erythropoiesis, and the abnormal increase in number of RBC is called polycythemia. Next question, less number of RBC in human leads to a condition called, guess all of you, less number of RBC in human leads to a condition called, the answer is anemia. And hemoglobin is present in which part of the blood? All of you know it is present in the red blood cells or RBCs. Okay, next question, the normal blood pressure is about, what is the answer? 120 by 80 mm of Hg. Mm of Hg is the mercury scale. It is measured in the mercury scale. So in a normal adult human, the normal blood pressure is 120 by 80 mm of Hg. The blood pressure is measured by an instrument called, what is the name of the instrument? The name of the instrument is sphygmomanometer. The name of the instrument by which we can measure the blood pressure is called sphygmomanometer. Okay. Next, the lifespan of RBC is 120 days, and erythropoietin hormone is responsible or present in the formation in the kidneys. So erythropoietin, the hormone which is secreted at the kidneys, that is responsible for producing the erythropoiesis, or that is responsible for the process of erythropoiesis. So in this video, this much questions we discussed. If you have any queries, you can write me in the comment box. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel for getting more information. In the next video, I will bring you the next rest part of the blood. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe.